Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to sync computer with internet time in Windows 11. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Date and Time. Click Internet Time. Click Change Settings. Check Synchronize with an Internet Time server, change any server, click Update now. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.